Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. Guys, I'll be showing you how I achieved this beautiful wig on my head. Yeah, you can see it's looking really nice. So I'll be showing you how I achieved it. So stay tuned, guys. So guys, what you'll be needing is your wig net, your crochet pin, your wig pin, and then your closure net. So you just want to go ahead and put it at the center part of the wig cap because it's the center. I want to do center part, so that's just where you're going to put it, at the center part, and then sew it round. So after sewing it round, I'm just going to start crocheting the hair. So I used one pack of braided hair, which is the Darling Superstar braided hair. I used half pack of the gold color and then half pack of the black color. That makes it one pack. So I'm just going to start crocheting the down part with the gold color, and then when I get to the top, I will use the black color. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you're new to my channel or you're just seeing my video for the first time, my name is Abigail Ifoma. Welcome to the family. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch my video. I so much appreciate. If you haven't seen my video and you're just seeing my video for the first time, please consider subscribing. And also the ones who have subscribed, I so much appreciate. Thank you so much for the love and support. Thank you for always tuning in to watch my video. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So guys, as you can see, I'm done crocheting the gold part of the hair. So I'm just going to start by crocheting the top part with the black extension. So that's what you see me doing. So guys, at this point, this is how it's looking like after crocheting. So as you can see, I just finished crocheting the hair. So I'm gonna start sectioning the hair. First I'm gonna comb it out and then section take some part of the hair and then braid it. So at this point, I'm done braiding the whole of the hair. So I'm just going to trim it like the way you see me doing. I'll trim off the excess extension coming out from the braid. So that's what I'm going to do, and then I'll put the whole of the wig inside hot water. So I did the hot water part off camera. Here is how the wig is looking like. Presently I already put it inside hot water, so this is how it's looking like. I'm just going to start losing the braid, and yeah, that is it for the wig. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. If you've watched up to this time and you haven't subscribed, please also consider subscribing. Support the channel by subscribing. Hit the red button, yeah, and also the bell notification so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new video. Guys, share the video with your loved ones. Let them also watch and learn from it. Bye guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay safe and stay blessed.